In this episode of 10 Best Ones, we are going to check out the top 5 best dash cameras in 2018. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see the price and find out more information about these dash cameras, you can check out the links down in the description and the comment section below. Okay, so, let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the ROAV Dashcam C1. The ROAV Dashcam C1 is an easy-to-install, budget-friendly dash camera that would be a great option for everyone who is looking for a quality camera without spending hundreds of dollars, and let's hear why. From a design perspective, the C1 has an extremely compact, all-black body that houses a vivid, 2.4-inch screen positioned on the front, an embedded lock on the back, low-profile 1080p camera positioned at the bottom, and an internal 470 mAh battery which according to the manufacturer, can record up to 30 videos. In addition, you won't have any troubles installing the camera due to the fact that one of its sides sticks directly to your windshield through an adhesive pad, so once you set it up, the camera will always keep stable. When it comes to the operation, since this unit is Wi-Fi enabled, you can download its app from which you can transfer the captured recordings to your smartphone, so you can have a convenient viewing and sharing which is always welcome. Now, let's talk about the features. The C1 is powered by an advanced Sony Exmor CMOS sensor and uses the Nighthawk Vision technology, which basically means that this unit can capture 4 lanes of traffic in full HD 1080p resolution with 30 fps, so even if you're driving at night, nothing could be missed. Moreover, there is also an integrated shock sensor which will automatically start recording when it feels that undesirable incidents are upcoming, so you will have a full footage of everything that has happened. But that's not all. The C1 has a gravity sensor as well, which will instantly be activated once your car is bumped from someone who wants to disappear after that, so you can take the captured video and show it to the police officers, because no one may get out with it. Another great thing about this camera is the fact that it is extremely durable, or to be more precise, the C1 can operate in temperatures that range from 19 to up to 149 Fahrenheit, so as you can see, this camera can operate in different weather conditions while maintaining its quality recordings to the highest levels. Overall, if you're looking for a budget dash camera that performs really well, then this is the one for you. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Rexing V1. The Rexing V1 has been on the market for a couple of years, but since its initial release, users haven't stopped purchasing it due to its powerful capabilities that will guarantee you consistent recordings with exceptionally sharp quality. From a design perspective, this unit has an all-black, low-profile construction that is accompanied by 170-degree ultra-wide-angle lens, a 2.4-inch screen with an intuitive control panel located beneath, a micro USB port, a single micro SD slot, a GPS port, and an included 3-meter adhesive mount of which you can take an advantage in order to mount this camera on your windshield. Except the adhesive mount, you will also find a 12 feet in car power cable, single USB cable, and a user manual, but you will have an option to purchase additional accessories if you feel that the included ones aren't sufficient, which I really doubt. But now, let's talk about the performance. The V1 can record full HD 1080p videos at 30 fps, which is quite good, and if we add its ultra-wide-angle lens, it means that this camera can record in various lighting conditions on one side, while on the other, it will also be capable enough to provide a great coverage of your surroundings, which is really cool. In addition, you will have an option to make loop recordings. For instance, you can split a recorded video into 3, 5 or 10-minute segments, and when the memory card is full, this unit will overwrite the older videos with the new ones, so you shouldn't worry about anything. But, keep in mind that you should additionally purchase for a memory card since it is not included in the package. Moreover, the V1 integrates a gravity sensor as well, which I particularly like, because the recorded video will be protected and locked when a collision occurs. Before we end, I'd like to inform you that the only remark users had regarding its performance was the internal battery, which may offer you about 5 minutes of backup. But, you can solve this issue by connecting this camera to an external power source, so you will be fine. To conclude, the Rexing V1 is worthy of considering, and if you ever decide to purchase it, you won't regret that decision. Next up, at number 3, we have the Thinkware F770. The Thinkware F770 is a 2-channel dash camera that would be an excellent option for you, especially if you're most of the time driving during the night thanks to its high-end night vision capabilities. From a design perspective, the F770 sports a long and sturdy, glossy black body that is accompanied by a mount connector that is positioned on the top, a security LED at the front, camera lens at the far side, but you can also notice physical buttons such as the rec button, voice recording button, Wi-Fi connection button, format button, and a power button, so when you see it as a whole, it looks and feels very well equipped. For your information, this unit comes with many accessories, of which the most notable are the included cable mounting clips, a USB micro SD card reader, 32GB micro SD card and the 12-volt cigarette adapter, so from the very beginning, you will be supplied with everything needed. Now, let's talk about the features. The F770 utilizes an Ambarella A7 CPU, a Sony Exmor CMOS image sensor of up to 2.19 million pixels and a 1080p HD camera with 140-degree wide viewing angles, which is absolutely great. Since we are talking about a two-channel camera, I'd like to inform you that one of the cameras can be placed on the front, while the second on the rear, and what's interesting about it is that both of them can record 1080p videos with 30 FPS, which is awesome. Moving on, the F770 dashcam is Wi-Fi enabled as well, and regardless if you're an iOS or Android user, you can configure its settings from your smartphone and watch live videos. But that's not all. According to the manufacturer, during the night drive, this camera can increase the brightness at up to 1000% while reducing the noise to the minimum, so your videos will not only be well defined, but they will also be filled with dozens of details. Last but not the least, this device will detect road markings while you're driving, and even push voice warnings when it detects a risk of an imminent collision. Overall, the Thinkware F770 deserves your attention, so check it out and assure yourself of its quality. Moving on, at number 2, we have the Vantru N2 Pro. The Vantru N2 Pro is yet another, dual-dash camera system that was specifically designed to accommodate the needs of the taxis who spend hours driving on the road, so let's get quickly into action in order to find out what can you expect from this unit. From a design perspective, the N2 Pro includes two cameras, such as a front camera that will record the road ahead, while the second one is recording the passenger cabin, but what both of them have in common is the ability to record at 1080p resolution. I would also like to mention that these cameras are exceptionally durable, thanks to their construction that was made of PC and ABS housing, which make them strong enough to operate in temperatures that range from -4 to 194 degrees. However, keep in mind the best possible results can occur from -4 to up to 158 degrees, but now, let's talk about the performance. The front camera offers a diagonal viewing angle of up to 170 degrees with a maximum resolution of 1080p at 30 fps, while the rear camera is powered by a Sony Exmor IMX323 sensor, records at 1080p at 30 fps and have a diagonal viewing angle of up to 140 degrees, so when we check these specs closely, it means that both of them will never disappoint you in terms of performance and the quality of the recordings. I would also like to mention that the installation process isn't time-consuming, due to the fact that you will already be supplied with a suction mount which can be easily attached and detached, so for now I don't have any remarks. Moving on, the N2 Pro packs gravity sensors which will secure the recorded videos in a case of collision, a loop recording ability which means that your old, unnecessary footages will be overwritten at specific intervals, as well as a time-lapse which automatically takes photos and combines them together into a video output, which is really awesome. Finally, there is also a timestamp feature which I particularly like because it will serve you as a proof of evidence if something wrong happens. To conclude, the N2 Pro is a must-have, because it packs numerous features that will elevate your safety to a whole new level. And finally, at number 1, we have the Garmin Dashcam 55. The Garmin Dashcam 55 is a high-end, GPS-enabled dash camera that combines a compact design with truly unreal recording capabilities, and maybe that's the main reason why it is being used by thousands of customers on the market. From a design perspective, this unit boasts a discreet black-colored body with an accented bronze ring that wraps around the lens, a 2-inch LCD screen and 4 uniform buttons positioned on the side that adds even more beauty to its appearance. For your information, once you open the box, you will find an 8GB micro SD card, 2 magnetic mounts of which you can take an advantage in order to mount this little gem, and a 13.5-inch power cable, so as you can see, you will be equipped with everything necessary. Moreover, the installation process is butter smooth as well, due to the fact that all you have to do is to attach the magnetic mount which is connected to the top of the camera, and after that, you have to stick one of the adhesive magnets to your dashboard or windshield. Now, let's talk about the features. The Dashcam 55 comes with a 3.7 megapixel camera that records in 1440p at 30 fps in both light and low-lit surroundings, but you can lower the resolution as well, but keep in mind that this leads to a decreased quality. Moving on, you will have two options of operation, whether with your voice, or by your smartphone if you download the free Verb app. For instance, if you intend to use your speech, all you have to do is to say, "Okay, Garmin," and give a specific instruction, such as take a picture, start or stop. While if you prefer the second option, I'd like to inform you that you can edit your videos, frame your shots, locate the camera and much more with a single tap on your smartphone. Finally, this device integrates a G sensor which I particularly like, but let's not forget that this device will alert you if you stray from your lane or if you're driving too close to the car ahead. Overall, I'd recommend you consider the Garmin Dashcam 55 seriously, because this unit is strong enough to be considered as a lifetime investment. Thanks for watching, I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future, and if you have any questions related to these dash cameras, you can leave a comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can.